Discover your dream oasis in the highly sought-after Oconee County. This stunning custom-built one-level home, featuring a mostly finished basement, offers an abundance of space and luxury. With 4 spacious bedrooms plus a dedicated office and 3.5 bathrooms, there's room for everyone to unwind and enjoy. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by exquisite site-finished hardwood floors that flow throughout the inviting great room, which boasts elegant built-in cabinets, surrounding a cozy gas fireplace. The adjacent open kitchen features a stylish island with bar-top seating, perfect for casual gatherings. On the right wing of the home, you'll find 3 generous bedrooms, complemented by a beautifully appointed hall bathroom with dual vanities and a convenient half bath for guests. The sunroom, located at the back of the great room, is adorned with sliding champion windows that provide breathtaking views of the pool, patio, and the serene 9-acre lake. The private master suite is a true retreat, showcasing a tray ceiling with recessed lighting and a wall of windows that overlook the tranquil lake. It also offers direct access to a durable composite deck, designed to withstand the elements. The luxurious master bathroom features a marble dual vanity, a walk-in tiled shower, and a jetted tub surrounded by elegant tile. Enjoy ample storage in the expansive walk-in closet, conveniently located near the adjacent laundry room for effortless organization. Venture down to the finished basement, where you'll find stylish LVP flooring and generous space in the media and recreation rooms, ideal for gaming or cheering on your favorite sports teams. The basement also includes a spacious bedroom or office, and a large full bathroom, making it perfect for guests or additional family members. Step outside through the French doors to the inviting patio and pool area, where you can relax in the cozy outdoor living space, featuring a stained tongue and groove ceiling and multiple seating areas. Enjoy the stunning views of the saltwater pool and the picturesque lake, a perfect backdrop for entertaining and relaxation. All of this is nestled within one of Oconee County's most desirable golf, swim, and tennis communities, and is served by the award-winning Malcolm Bridge Middle and North Oconee school districts. Don't miss your chance to call this exceptional property home.